People. There's people all over the world. There's whites, blacks, Mexicans, Asians, and many more. But at the end of the day, everyone looks at the world a little bit different from one another. From how they were raised, to how they live now, to the food that they eat, and the way that they talk, to the way that they look at their beliefs in this world. Some take it to another level, maybe Jesus. There's racism to this day, but the elderly used to teach their young ones to treat us as if we're different people, as if we come from another planet, which I don't understand. God made us all equal, maybe not the same. We may express our problems, feelings, and emotions a little bit different from one another. Like a blind person facing their problems to a person with the impaired vision unable to afford glasses. To a mother that's not ready for kids and can't take care of them. Still doing the same things that they were doing before they had them. To a mother that can't have children, would love to switch places and cherish them with everything they can to make them feel happy and love and much more in a whole nother way. Or a family that cannot afford or was raised with low income, that struggles day by day to survive with their families. To a family that has or makes over the times of the income to support their families through thick and thin with only a transaction away. To a person with AIDS, with a weak immune system, to a developed lack of energy, weight loss, vision loss, and many more problems than an abscess person who chooses to save themselves for a good reason, like transmitted disease, pregnancy, or just choose to wait until marriage. There's also people that have parents that don't really care about what they do, which they don't feel, and they turn themselves to the streets, where they find themselves into something they can't get out of, or jail, maybe even death. Or the parents that actually do care what their kids do and really want them to be something in this world, to keep them occupied with other things like sports, church, and all types of lessons they can react to. But where it all goes, all God's children, we should all come as one and be something in this world. Anything.